Can't open the door to get a clear shot, or they'll all take off. But there is a bunch of little birds out there. Look at that. Would you? There's got to be 30 of them right there. Well, there's Mom and Dad, and they're just chilling out in the dust pile. They like dust baths. Crazy. Okay, there's a bunch of them right there. There's a bunch have already gone through. They're all heading out. We got a little Guido gate on our big gate so they can make it through. Look at there's Dad waiting. Come on, Junior, get your ass in gear. Make sure that they didn't leave any.
Coming this way, honey.
Oh my God, they're coming right up here by the house. Right there.
Count them all. They're too much. Oh, they fell.
Yeah, see, that's why I put seed on the steps, was to bring them out.
Look at that little fat one here in the front. Fat one here in the front. Oh, there it goes. Oh my gosh. They found the Holy Grail. Yeah, there's two different sizes. Look at that little tiny one right there.
Yeah.